This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by David Savino. Elegance and sophistication are quite evident throughout. High ceilings create a stunning effect in harmony with this well laid out floor plan. Fantastic kitchen, with new stainless steel appliances, which overlooks the morning room with fireplace. Enormous master suite offering vaulted ceilings, spacious closets plus lavish master bathroom with granite countertops and stand-alone soaking tub overlooking backyard and tropical environment, lush landscaped grounds, in-ground saltwater pool and spa all overlooking the pond. Total privacy inside and out. For more information, review the details below.